Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you like what is inside the oil filter. It's used for like almost more than I would say 8,000 kilometers, and today I will going to cut it and see what is inside this oil filter, like why we need to replace the oil filter after every 10,000 kilometers as per the recommendation from your car manufacturer. We need to replace the oil filter. So this is the oil filter. So once we see inside, like we will going to identify the reason. Maybe there are some metal particles which like rotates from the engine oil and like filtered in this oil filter. Actually the main reason why we need to replace the oil filter and oil. So today we're going to see the reason. So let's start. So in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you will receive the notification for such informative videos. So let's cut it. So you can see I have just cut it apart. So the cover is out, and this is your main filter. So you can see the condition. So this is what we have inside: oil, remaining oil, engine oil, and this is the condition of the oil filter. So let me tell you how it works. First of all, the engine oil enters from this area, from these holes to this oil filter, and after that it reaches in this I would say compartment, and from here like it's entered this filter, and from here we get the clean engine oil. So this is the basic functionality of the oil filter. So let's open it and let's see what kind of dust we have inside this oil filter. So this is how it looks from inside. Lot of dust, I would say. Let me try to open this. So the bottom cover is also out. This is from inside. So this is the area where the, like I would say it's a kind of like a paper mesh which just filters the engine oil. You can see. So I don't see any metal particles. So inspect thoroughly for any particles. I don't see any particles in it. So in my case the condition is good. So this is something very important, I would say. I can just feel some of the like the small particles when I'm just rubbing my hands on it. I can feel some particles on it. So yes, it's working. So it's very important. If you don't, yes, I can feel, you can see the dust here. You can feel, you can see the dust, small dust particles. So it's not a dust particle, I would say. It's something coming from the engine, the wear tear of the parts. So like it's something expected. Like if you are running the engine, there are metal parts which are rubbing with each other. So such things are expected. So you can see the particles. So that's why it's very important to replace the engine oil filter on a periodic period. So you can see the particles. So we have the particles, these particles, and if it's not filtered by the oil filter or it gets clogged, so it will not going to provide the proper functionality. The oil will not be filtered, and even it will block the oil rotation inside the engine. So the oil will not be properly circulated in all the parts of the engine, which is very important. On this side, this is the outer side. Let me see what is inside, and the oil is filtered. If we have the filter with the, I would say, the particles on the inner side as well. So here I don't see. So now it's the inner side, which is like once the oil is filtered. So this is that side. So you can see I don't see any dust particles on the inner side. It's clean. It's only the engine oil what we have. So you can see. So from this what I want to show you, the importance why we need to replace the engine oil and the oil filter on regular basis, on whatever the defined period is. That is very important, because if the filter will not going to work properly, all the I would say the metal particles will going to be circulated in the engine, and the long run it will going to damage the engine, and you have to spend a lot of money in rebuilding those engine. Don't believe like it's says like 10,000 kilometer I will going to drove it for the 11,000 kilometers. No, on the regular basis just replace the oil filter. So this is for the petrol engine. I will going to show you for the diesel engine as well. For diesel engine, produce soot, and that soot mixed with your engine oil, and we'll see whether how much the oil filter works in the diesel cars as well. So I'm going to make another video in that I will going to show you. So this is just the informational video to show the importance of oil filter in your car and why we need to replace the engine oil and oil filter on regular basis. So that's it in this video. If you like it, give thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching DIY Guy. Take care. Bye bye.